Batisi TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155. Ringkat bakanet foodish, ordar mapi, nginwan ramani, hakir dobyeng jompi.
Hadien bun Snem Bala Shah Khunswet tang hagi Ïing Skul ki bajot rathai ka Skul Sibsingh Memorial Government Higher Secondary School Mauklam Nong Pendeng menta ka sngi kala yo yak Ïing building ka Thymmai bat ka Paka yakani ka Ïing Skul ka Thymmai lawan ban pli paj ba do menteri rang ba ka jala u konrad kongkel sangma haka khatnyo trik kula lingkot arja apulai haka jingalang ka bala pelong hapo ka pelau jong ka te ka skul haba ajing kren kung kongsan konrad loong makalong ka ige ka pensa kan mau ya kani ka skul namartang hapo si Snem balate lala ban pendap haka bala yo ru ban plepat ba bad ula ajing kublai ka karpang ru yu MLA ka than ba Macmillan bersat ya ki officer ka tanat puli puthi bat kumju yu kontraktor bat ya ki bor penyai jong ka te ka skul ki bala ya don lang haka ni ka sngi ki gentup yu MLA ka nongstan ba Macmillan bersat ki officer sarkar ki nong yalam ka snong Mauklam Nong Pendeng ki bor penyai ka skul ki kena skul bat ki we
sa jingkan mau haka jingim joma akong long bikmat ki officer jo ki institution department iba per hing iba kontraktor haka wis ni kan du angi ka bidang tre di building nganga pila dan mendep ini pendai-pendai orang ala pada aku beri pang di kontraktor yang di skul ngong yung engineer jaga isu department Pak Tariang la em Pak Tariang mentau Snem ngin jawaban pli gini ngin persangsa ban pendep ya ke cingkua jo bobol balang ngidon kata ke jingen Thailand ngadu ke department hadu ke station hadu kat mobil pada daun tenderai ke dari tanggawai ngaku apa ni tu ini kadau tenderai ke dari tanggawai pangadon hasenda pada minister ngau ni pipet sakata kepada don minister ni lah kalau kami khidmat tembang limdon langkor minister ni lah tapi lagi kena mukam uweng memelibarim dangsen wong ina bamak pidon bok papidon hakaliang kepada don minister nga lalong MLA sa Snem kalen ay kijing long MLA nga pitep nga pakat palat ya kasusah ka kadar jong kathan ka dong kajumi nga kwa panra ya ka burom jo kidabasnong nga kwa pan kubor ya kidabasnong nga kwa ban penne pensa ka gusto ka iti kajumi kata ka di kathaw je kay kijing kala tara ngi compare yaki substance na manswa lara kita gi baong ba kiwan dia hiru balik kiwan dia tanga kapo menta kabamut ba kani kapo kalau sip jungi habang idon mangi kuminong elam kiwan dia di ege bro daga nomor chu kapo nganailat yo chipka su jungi chimsta badan buram jungi pan ngatai piki pai ba piu i bagai ka kubo ka bau chimista
I must take this opportunity to congratulate the Education Department and all the officials and the contractor involved in making this school building a possibility in such a short time. I remember coming here on the 17th of February 2022 to lay the foundation stone for this building. And today is 17th of January 2023, which means exactly 11 months, less than a year, that we have been able to complete this building. And I think this is a record in one way. I don't think in many locations have we been able to complete this kind of buildings in such a fast time. So it really is a great moment, and I must congratulate the Education Department, the contractor and all the officials and the managing committee also and the principal for having ensured that this building was completed in such a short time. In 2018, when we had taken over the government and the new government was formed, I had shared with the people of the state and at that time with the media the vision that we had for our state as we moved forward. And I told them and I stressed on the fact that for us as a government and for me as a Chief Minister, the youth will play a very, very important role in the agenda that we prepare to move forward in. And though there are many aspects related to the youth, we realized that education was a very, very critical part of ensuring that we were able to provide the opportunities to the youth. And so many areas are there which affect the youth, but a critical part of that is education. And hence education became a priority for us. And in the vision that we had, we did our best to ensure that we took education to a new level. I'm happy to see that many changes have come in the education sector in the last 5 years. Apart from different policies, apart from different issues that were plaguing the education department, apart from forming an education commission to ensure that future issues related to education can be resolved, one very important aspect was the overall infrastructure in schools. And as was being just mentioned by the chairman of this program, who happens to be one of the alumni and students who had passed out from the school, I think his story sums up the experience of how the children had to study in this school and many, many other schools in the state. I need to inaugurate this building. This is something that I have promised to the people of Nongstoin. I spoke to the Honorable MLA and he was very, very keen that I come and inaugurate this building. And I must take this opportunity to thank him. He has been one of the biggest driving forces to bring about the change that we are seeing in Nongstoin constituency. May not be that everything has changed, but the process of the change has started. And it is because of your local MLA, because of his drive, because of his desire to take Nongstoin forward, that we are seeing things happen.